In today's video, I will demonstrate how to clean and disinfect counters. Here I start off by scrubbing the surfaces with a silicone sponge and dish soap. In the comments, you'll find the list of supplies I utilized. Now I spray the surface with the all-purpose cleaner, remove excessive soap to the edges with the squeegee, with the squeegee, it allows me to pile up the soap so I can dry and wipe clean. After I utilize a microfiber towels to remove the excessive soap, I now use a waffle towel to polish the granite. To complete the process, now I am disinfecting the counter. And there you have it, a simple and easy way of cleaning a surface counter. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that like button.